What the hell is going on here?
Oh, hey, babe. I figured I'd save some money on our power bill by turning off the AC. Why don't you hop on in? The water's fine.
You think it's really a good idea to put a baby pool in our living room? Over my nice rug? On the 3rd floor?
Relax. None of it's getting out of the tub. Now, would you be a doll and just pass me another ice bag? They're just sitting over there on the couch.
Okay, B, just breathe. I know grabbing the toaster and tossing in his stupid little pool might be the move here, but just hold it 1 second and think this through. Maybe there's a rational way to address this. Maybe we should commend him for giving an effort to save us money. Maybe he looks kinda cute sitting there in his underwear.
Safety.
Go get the fucking toaster and toss it in, girl.
Hey, move. You're blocking the TV. Oh.
While you've been here having your little spa day, I've been out there literally melting in this heat. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to turn the thermostat from its current setting of hell to something a little more tolerable.
Could you maybe take me to the hospital first?
Now, isn't this better? So what if we pay a little more on our electric bill? Oh, you like that video, huh? Well, then subscribe. What the f*** are you waiting for? Oh, I'm sorry, you don't like cursing? Well, f*** that. How does a person even make it through life without cursing? You know what? I'm not classy, and I don't pretend to be. Anyway, if you don't subscribe, you're missing out on new videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Whatever, it's up to you.